Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 24th, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges of the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Wherever you might ask, I don't know, but I'm gonna steal the screen. As you can see on this screen here, that is apparently somehow off. Today's weather will be cloudy with a high of 76 degrees and a low of 56 degrees.
You're not Dr. Everett. Today's lunch options are nachos or popcorn chicken or pizza boxes.
Yummy. I love nachos. The book fair starts today. Get ready to get some of your favorite books. Just so you know, the book fair from today through Thursday will be open at 8:30 a.m. and close at 2:30 p.m. And on Friday, it will be open at 8:30 a.m. and close at 12 o'clock noon.
Still needed to buy a yearbook? You can do so on RedTrack. The link is in the Falcon forecast. Hurry and get yours. There are only a few left.
Yeah. Now here's Grayson for Bet You Didn't Know.
Did you know the Atlantic Ocean is saltier than the Pacific Ocean?
How do they know that?
Did they like
Skip
drink the
Evers.
water? Yeah.
I'm sweating the Atlantic Ocean. Today, it's you.
Today in history, in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched and Space Shuttle discovered.
Awesome. Weird but true. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Again, how do they test that?
They do it.
Probably.
Over and over.
Now here's Ellie for So Cute I Can't. Now here's Ellie for the Joke of the Day.
Yeah!
That's better.
What do frogs order at McDonald's?
Oh, I love that place. I don't know what.
French fries and a Coca-Cola.
Yum.
Hey, what happened to you doing So Cute I Can't? That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Carter.
And I'm Archer.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.